Yo, fire heroes. Ready to heat things up? I'm Lava Leap Boy. Let's start by becoming the tallest mountain in the world. This is the Volcano Peak. Stand tall, reach your hands up, and make a sharp peak. Feel the heat rising from your feet all the way to your fingertips. Take a deep breath. Feel that fire energy. We are strong, we are steady, and we are ready to erupt with power. Step those feet wide. We're guarding the magma core now. This is the Magma Warrior. Stretch your arms out. Imagine you're holding back a wall of fire. Keep your legs strong like solid rock. Look over your front hand. Stay focused. Breathe in the heat. Breathe out the smoke. You are powerful. You are a hero, and nothing can stop you. Time to explode with energy. Open your arms and legs wide, boom. You are a flare star. Imagine sparks flying off your fingers. You're lighting up the whole underground cave. Take a huge breath in. Feel your chest expand with firepower. You look epic. Keep that star shape strong and bright. Even a volcano needs to stay balanced. Can you stand on one leg like a balanced ember? Bring your hands to your heart. It's hot down here, but your mind is cool and calm. If you wobble, just imagine you're a heavy rock that can't be moved. Deep breath, find your focus. You're doing a fire-tastic job. Look out. We need to make a path through the rocks. Lift your hips high for the lava tunnel. Push your hands into the ground. Feel the heat of the stone. We're making a tunnel for the lava to flow through. Stretch your back long, breathe in and out. You are the strongest bridge in the volcano. Keep those hips high, heroes. Halt. The ground is moving. We need to become the solid rock. Drop down and hold your body as straight as a steel beam. Don't let your hips sink into the lava. This builds the super strength we need to jump over giant craters. Breathe through the heat, stay tight, stay tough. Step forward and launch your arms up. This is the firebolt lunge. You're like a rocket getting ready to blast out of the volcano. Feel the power in your legs. They're your engines. Reach for the sky, even if you're deep underground. Take a big breath. Feel that firepower. You are bold, and you are fast. Let's get low and strong like the smoldering dragon. Come down onto your elbows and lift your hips. This pose makes your shoulders as strong as dragon scales. Imagine you're guarding a treasure of glowing crystals. Take a deep, fiery breath. Whoosh. Stay steady. Don't let your dragon wings tire out. You're doing an epic job. The lava is rising. Lay on your tummy and push your chest up high for the rising magma. Look up at the crater opening. We're coming up to see the world. Stretch your neck and feel the energy flowing from your toes to your head. You are bright, you are warm, and you are full of life. Time for a quick cool down. Sit down and become the cooling stone. Even the hottest fire needs a moment to be still. Close your eyes and feel your heart beating. That's your internal engine. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel the air cool down your lungs. You are the master of your fire. Stay calm, stay focused, stay powerful. Ready for takeoff? Balance on one leg and lean forward for the flying fireball. You are a comet zooming through the volcanic sky. Keep your arms and legs straight. Be as aerodynamic as a rocket. Focus your eyes on a single glowing crystal on the floor to stay steady. You are fast, you are focused, and you are flying. The lava river is flowing. Let's build the magma bridge. Lay on your back and lift your hips high. Make a strong path so our team can cross safely. Press your feet into the hot sand and lift even higher. Feel the strength in your legs and back. You are a hero who supports everyone. Keep that bridge steady. Don't let it sag. Grab your oars. We're sailing across a lake of magma in the lava boat. Balance on your bottom and lift your legs up high. Reach your hands toward your toes. This pose makes your core as strong as a tectonic plate. Breathe deep, stay steady. Don't let your boat tip over. You are the captain of this fire ship. Let's sit down and reach for your toes. This is the folding flame. Our fire is now slowly cooling down. Stretch your legs and lean your head toward your knees. Feel your muscles relaxing after all that leaping. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, feel yourself becoming even more peaceful. Now become a resting rock. Kneel down and place your forehead on the ground. You have shown so much power, and now it is time to recharge your energy. Imagine you are a very strong and peaceful rock resting at the base of the volcano. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. You are safe and strong. Lay on your back and lift your legs up high. Imagine your toes are tiny sparks in the sky. Let all the energy flow back down to your heart. Stay very still, just like the stars shining in the sky. Your body feels light and cool now. Just breathe and drift. You did an amazing job today. Haha, let's be a happy magma roller. Grab your feet and rock from side to side. This is our victory dance. Give your back a nice massage on the floor. You are a fire hero, and you finished the mission. Rock and roll, little heroes. And finally, we rest as the sleeping volcano. Lay completely still. Your work is done. Your energy is now completely calm, like a deep golden dream. Close your eyes, listen to the silence of the cave. You are powerful, you are brave, and you are peaceful. Relax and let your light shine softly. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe now to follow the next yoga exercises.